Hello friends, let us see how we can create dual lighting in Photoshop. So let us start. Let's select the person in this image. So we'll use object selection tool and keep the mode as lasso and just draw a rough selection around this person. So immediately the selection snaps to the edges of this subject or person. So the next thing we'll be doing is we will take a document, an A4 size landscape document, and then simply drag this image into this document. We will scale it down and we will center scale. The shortcut for center scale is you can hold Alt and drag the corner. Right. Adjust it properly. The next thing we'll be doing is we will change the background to black color. So use Alt plus backspace and change the background to black color. So after that, we'll be now starting the procedure of creating a dual lighting effect. So first, we will create a selection around this person. So hold Ctrl and click on this person or on this thumbnail. So just you got a selection, and then we will create a group. So create a new group. The group icon is at the bottom of the layers panel, and once we have created a group, so now we will just apply mask to this. So the mask icon is just over here. Just click on this mask. Right. So the next thing we'll be doing is we are going to apply an adjustment which is black and white. So simply select the black and white. So it will turn the image into grayscale. So the next thing we'll be doing is we are going to apply a gradient map. So the gradient map is over here. So simply select the gradient map and we'll just the next thing we'll do is we will change the gradient here. So we will actually select a blue color, and then we'll shift the blue to the right. So the black is to the left. So something like this. So then the next thing we'll do is we will apply a blending mode. So we'll apply a hard light blending mode so that the effect is going to be more interesting. You can see the intensity here. And we can do one more thing here. So we want a blue on the left side and the red color on the right side. So what we'll do is we will select this thumbnail which is a mask thumbnail for this gradient map, and we are going to select a brush, and we'll select a soft rounded brush, and we will just paint on the right side here. So we will be painting a black color. Just keep the foreground color as black, and in case can't see black and white over here, simply hit D on the keyboard so that the foreground and background colors are going to change to black and white. And also make sure that the flow over here is 100%. Flow and opacity are 100% for the brush. Then let us paint on the right side. So I'll just paint on the right side here. So that's it. So I have painted on the right side. So then the next thing we'll do is we will just take one more duplicate here. So just hit Ctrl J. We are taking the duplicate of this gradient map. So just hit Ctrl J, and then we will just double click on this icon to change the color for the gradient map, the second gradient map, and we'll just click the gradient editor is going to open, and here we'll change it to red color. And after that we will simply shift the gradient, inverse the gradient. So the way we inverse the gradient is simply hit Ctrl I. So now you can see the effect. So the left side we have blue color, the right side we have red color. One thing we'll do is, one final thing, we'll take a duplicate of this person. Just select the layer, the person's layer, take a duplicate, and let me keep it above all other layers. So here I have placed it, let's keep it above the group also. Right. So then what we'll do is we will just change it to black and white. There is a shortcut for black and white, Ctrl Shift U. So now it is a black and white, and then we will simply apply mask to this layer. So we'll apply a hide all masks by holding Alt and clicking on this mask icon, and then in the middle we will just remove this dual lighting effect. So just select the mask thumbnail, select the brush, select a soft rounded brush, make sure that opacity and flow are 100% for this layer, reduce the brush icon, and then just paint white color, just paint white color in the middle. So something like this. So we can also, in case we think you think that you have painted a little bit extra, we can again put the black color and then we can get back those areas. So something like this. Then in the last thing we'll be doing is I will apply a curves adjustment layer and then slightly reduce the opacity so that it looks more interesting. So this is the dual lighting effect in Photoshop. I hope you like this tutorial. Please do subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for notification. See you again.